Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you the shimmery dramatic Hello Eye makeup. So let's get started. This brush is from Morphe brushes and taking the shade Mood from Stacey Mary Carnival Pro Palette. Starting off by applying the shade over my crease area. I love how pigmented this palette is. Same on the other eye. Blending my crease with this shade named Make Waves. This brush is from Morphe brushes, applying Mood to my crease area for more sharp and deep look. Same on the other eye. This brush is from Morphe brushes, blending the harsh edges of my crease with this shade named Soft Spot. This concealer is from BEVERLY Cosmetics in shade Ivory, drawing a semicircle kind of shape with the concealer and blending it with the brush. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, applying the shade named Spire to the center of my lid over concealer. Blending inner and outer edges with the same shade. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, smoking out my lower lash line with the same shade Mood. So this is the complete look. I hope you will all like it. Give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comment section. Bye bye.